we will experiment to see how the frequency of sound can be modified. You like the squeaky sounds made by Alvin and the chipmunks in their movies, don't you?
Yes.
It will be fun to see if you can sound like that. We have already assembled the blocks for this experiment, the IC frequency doubling circuit. Instead of a microphone, we will use this arrangement so that we can directly play back sound from a recorded video. Then it will be clear to distinguish the sound that is coming out from the circuit. Audio frequencies are lower compared to sound of musical instruments. Let's try to play back some music through the circuit to see if the difference is clearly seen. That was fun. Did you enjoy the experiment?
Yes.